this one. Ah, shit. But what's going on, guys? I'm getting ready to leave here. I'm gonna make another video. I was thinking about making one on options, but I think I'll do it after this video and get back into some of the real estate and option stuff. I know you guys have those questions, but either way, actually, let me get outside and I'll talk. So I'm driving now, guys. I had to leave the house and yeah, sorry. This guy probably thinks I'm weird filming and driving. No, so I had to leave the house, guys. But what I wanted to talk about was how to get rich in 2018 off of a cryptocurrency. And now, why? Because I talk about stocks and real estate too. And like I said, I'm gonna get back to those videos for you guys, but I know a lot of people like these ones, but don't forget my point. You know, the point I've been making, use crypto as a source to get into stocks and real estate, specifically real estate, you know. But you know, I'm going to talk about some of the stuff. I want you guys to be able to set your goals. You know, this is my neighborhood. This is where I live in LA, and you know, it's nice, you know. And I want you guys to. I'm not doing this to show off. I'm not doing this and any of that. You know, I live here every day. A lot of you guys don't even see it. You know, this is what I want you to aspire to, though. You know, this is where. That's why I support some of these dreams people have with crypto and this, because it should get you guys setting your eyes on this. You know, and even then, it brought up another funny example I was thinking about, you know, and you can see where the value is. I know Bitcoin's dropping now too. Thank you guys for those comments that you guys posted on the video where, you know, I know Bitcoin just dropped, because that, you guys added some great insight to that, and I love hearing from you guys. So it's very cool, very informative. But, you know, I was thinking about something, you know, even with Bitcoin dropping, you go look, like, why are these houses here? You won't get a house on this street for less than, like, if it's 1,000 square feet, you might get it for like 1.8 million. And you know, the point, you gotta dodge a lot of people. But the point with that, yeah, okay, this road's crazy, guys. Hold on. Look at this gap I'm threading. But all right. anyways, I was thinking, you know, even with Bitcoin dropping, you know, I thought of claims of people saying how Bitcoin's gonna go to $1 million, $500,000. Well, kind of makes sense in a way. You know, think about it. There's only 22 million coins. Why are these houses $5 million here? You know, I'll show you guys. Go wait till you guys see the houses up here. You know, why are they at these prices? You know, that's the real question. Oh my God, this is nuts. See all this construction. But it's just because of supply. Think about it. There's 19 million people in LA. You know, how many houses do you think exist in Beverly Hills and Bel Air? Guarantee it's not 19 million. Supply and demand. Not everybody, you know, everybody buys one, holds it, that's it. Now, obviously a house is a lot harder to access than something like a coin, but I think you guys get the idea. So that's even what I'm trying, you know, that's a value part. But now let's talk about how you guys are gonna get rich. One, you're gonna get rich by making money in crypto and then reinvesting the profits when they're up and putting it into something else. Think about it. I think Bitcoin was at $20,000 when I bought a property. You know, the other day, you guys saw me make transfers and transfer out of Ethereum. Think about it. When I it's what I said in my other videos. When you look at this house, you guys. This is Dan Bilzerian's house. Well, it's owned by a prince, but Dan's renting it. Oh, there you go. That guy got the sunroof. So there's that, and then this is my favorite view too. So, well, that's the LA skyline. I don't know if you guys, it's too foggy, man. The camera doesn't do it justice. But anyways, you're gonna get rich by securing the profits when they're up and putting it in other stuff. Because guess what? The house I bought didn't go down, but Ethereum did. I could go buy it back now. I got free stuff, and that's it. Boom, go buy it back in. I still have my investment. So that's one way. But the real way, you know, I see people talking about these altcoins, this and that. The real way is not gonna be through altcoins. If you really wanna get rich in crypto, it's not gonna be through trading. You know, will there be some swing trade? Sure. But ultimately, it's gonna be investing long-term. If you invest long-term, you invest in something nice in the sense that it has tech, that's how you're gonna get rich. 2018 is gonna be the people who are investing in technology. You know, that's how you're gonna get rich. You know, the tech behind all of this stuff. It's like investing in companies. I said this, it's not public. You know, it's proprietary stuff, or it's not proprietary because it's just been given to the public. You know, nobody could take over Bitcoin and patent in this. There's already one that exists in the public, and you know, you can't sue it if someone copies it or anything like that. So that's pretty simple, right? As far as getting rich in 18, I would say diversify your portfolio. The big three, even Ripple's kind of sketch. And even then, one thing you guys got to realize, Bitcoin could still be a scam. Everything could be a scam. Now, I do support it. Why did you say that? Go look at the companies. Like, I trade stocks. I've been trading for 10 years, and then, I don't know, you guys want to see me? I feel like you guys don't want to see traffic too much. You know, I've been, you guys said if I was a girl, you'd like it. But, you know, I've been trading for 10 years. I've seen I've seen a lot. Simple as that is the best way to put it. Hold on. But anyways, yeah, I've seen a lot where I've seen a lot of companies, great companies, like the We Show mining company. Go look at the movie Gold, Enron. The list actually goes on and on of how many things that look legitimate and crash, and that sadly could be the case. The blockchain is here to stay, but not everything else. I feel like I'm regurgitating that at this point. But hopefully you guys get the idea. How you're gonna be rich is by investing and being safe. That's it. It's the Warren Buffett way, with something Warren Buffett doesn't invest in. And that's where you guys need to take advantage of it. Altcoins aren't gonna make you rich, you know, and my friend even asked me the other day, he's like, oh, well, I wanna put like 300 grand into it. And I just said, go put it into a house. You put it in a house, you're not gonna lose that much, you know. It just, when you put that much into altcoins, it's sketchy. You guys could rinse and repeat though, you know, turn 5, 10, 20 grand into 50, 100 grand, take it out, go start over at 10, 15 grand, and keep doing that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So if you could pull that off, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know why it's such a problem for people. You know, they want to go with the big, and I get it, but just understand the loss. And you guys see where crypto's at now. And let me even say this: how you guys are gonna get rich is buying blood. And you know, I don't want to say this as that it just sounds so. I just sound like a fool. I feel like, oh, it's buying. Oh, you got that's. I feel like a fool because that's how the people, you know, the people who